Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Amazland Hacker. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Oracle Virtualbox 6.1 in Windows 10. Okay, before starting the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, now let's get started with the tutorial. Installing Virtualbox in Windows 10 is pretty easy. Before getting into that, let's talk something about VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtualization software. It is open source. It was developed by Oracle. The main purpose of VirtualBox is to act as a virtual computer to install various version of Windows or Linux or different distros. So this video is pretty basic. Before getting into pen testing or hacking, I wanted to show you actually how to install hacking machines and test distros. For that purpose, we need to install virtualization software. Okay, let's get started with how to download VirtualBox and install it in Windows 10. First of all, I have already included the link in the description below. Just copy the link and open it in your browser. Okay, after that, you open the link given in the description below. You will be greeted by this page. Just after this page is opened, just go here on Windows host. If you want to download on other distributions, there are link also. Just click on Windows host. Get the download will start automatically. Okay, let's start the download with IDM. Okay, I have already downloaded it in my computer, so no need for me to download. So let's pause it. Okay, let's open our downloaded folder. Just open the downloaded file. Click next. Select your download location. I like to install it in my other drives rather than local disk C, so I will install it in local disk E drive. See, now the installation is started. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, now the installation is completed. Just click on finish button. Start up the installed VirtualBox. Okay, now our installation is completed. So I have already installed three machines before. So these three options won't be shown in your VirtualBox. Okay, I will teach them how to install it in for the upcoming videos. Just wait and watch them. Okay, that's the way to install the VirtualBox. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.